a city larger than planets, powered by a black hole, a place where billions of people live beneath artificial suns, drawing energy from one of the most destructive objects in the universe. It sounds impossible, but for a civilization far more advanced than our own, a black hole may become the ultimate home. This is the story of humanity's greatest city. Chapter 1: The Perfect Power Source. For centuries, humanity relied on stars. The sun powered Earth. Future civilizations may build Dyson spheres around distant suns. But stars have limits. They burn fuel, they age. Eventually they die. A black hole is different. Matter falling into a rotating black hole can release enormous amounts of energy, in theory far more efficiently than nuclear fusion itself. To an advanced civilization, a black hole would not be a threat. It would be a power plant, and perhaps the most valuable object in the galaxy. Chapter 2: Building the Ring of Worlds. The city would not sit on the black hole itself. Instead, enormous habitats would orbit safely around it. Millions of artificial worlds, each one larger than modern nations. Together they would form a vast ring surrounding the darkness at the center. From a distance, the structure would resemble a glowing halo, stretching millions of kilometers through space. At its heart would be absolute darkness, a shadow from which an entire civilization draws life. Chapter 3: Artificial Suns. There is one problem. Black holes do not shine. Without light, every habitat would be frozen. So the civilization creates its own suns. Gigantic energy stations capture power from the black hole and convert it into light and heat. Artificial stars illuminate cities, oceans, forests, and skies. Entire ecosystems flourish beneath engineered daylight. For the people living there, the black hole would be invisible most of the time. Life would feel surprisingly normal until they looked upward and saw the dark center hanging above their world. Chapter 4: The Ultimate Society. As the city grows, billions become trillions, then quadrillions. New habitats appear continuously. New cultures emerge. New economies form. Travel between worlds becomes routine. A journey that once took years across planets now takes hours between habitats. The city becomes more than a settlement. It becomes a civilization spanning distances larger than entire solar systems. But the real achievement is not its size. It is its survival. Chapter 5: Living Beside Darkness. Black holes are dangerous. Radiation, gravity, and high-energy particles constantly threaten nearby structures. Every habitat requires precise engineering. A single mistake could be catastrophic. Yet humanity adapts. For thousands, perhaps millions of years, the city expands. Generation after generation lives beneath artificial suns powered by the darkness below. Chapter 6: The Future Beyond Earth. Perhaps one day Earth will be forgotten. The solar system may become only a distant memory. But humanity could continue, living around black holes, harvesting their power, building worlds beyond imagination. And if a traveler from our present age could see that future, they would realize something extraordinary. The most terrifying objects in the universe may one day become the foundation of humanity's greatest achievement. A city built around darkness, shining brighter than any star.